This house number 501 is bringing problem. No problem. Please, madam, how are you doing? Where is your husband? I feel like having bread arrears of 3 months. 3 months. Arrears. Pesa. What is no? I don't need this kind of blackmail, my friend. Is he around? No. Where's the rate now? Okay. But I don't need this kind of blackmail. You know, I might lose my job. Yeah. Yes, I would. Oh, umeleta glass. No problem. Yeah, that's I would. Uko na soda?
Niko na soda.
Choke. This is very nice. You said he is not around. Uko na bread na wesa teremusa nayo. Oh.
Kata iko.
Okay.
Komo hapa.
Yeah, that's I would. Ginikoka mitsa sawa. Yeah.
Tulisema niko na rent ya mwezi.
It is only 6 months.
Niko na rent.
That is too little. I can add you another 4 months. No problem.
Nilikwambia yako wewe ni mhandisi.
You said I'm handsome. Nanjara unanimarisa.
Kula hapa tu ushipe, ukishashipa yako. Utaongea. Unajua haka wewe ni mhandisi. Kwako kazini.
Wewe unalala wapi?
Bibi yako tu kidogo ushipe.
Okay. You said it's not around.
Ayuko hapa ndani. Ayuko hapa ndani. Ongezeko. I feel like sleeping. Naweza tulia hapa kidogo. Lesa lala yako hapa.
Yeah.
Omwana wanyora, owe wanyora.